Welcome to our quick guide on fixing error 0x80070643, especially if you're facing this issue after enlarging the recovery partition in Windows 10. Stay tuned to resolve this error efficiently. Start by searching for CMD in the search bar. Once you see it, click on Run as Administrator. A prompt might appear asking for permission. Click on Yes to continue. Now, in the command prompt window, simply copy the command regentc/info from the video description. Back in the command prompt, paste the command by pressing Ctrl+V and then hit Enter. Next, we're going to enable the feature. Again, copy the command regentc/enable from the video description. Paste it into the command prompt the same way, using Ctrl+V and press Enter. Great. Now, let's quickly check if everything's set correctly. Right-click on the Windows Start button on your taskbar. From the menu, click on Settings. It's the gear-shaped icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, just click OK. Now, the final step. Let's check the Windows update. This will help us confirm if the changes we made were successful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.